front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Password and Security. Then click on Lock Screen Passwords at the top left corner and select one of those login methods: pattern, numeric password, or alphanumeric password. Hit Got It in the pop-up. And finally create your login method. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just tap on Cancel at the bottom left corner. Tap on Lock Screen Passwords again, select yours, and after tapping on Got It, create it correctly. Then repeat it to confirm it and tap on Confirm. So now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!